National forecast Iowa's revenue expect state revenues to fall another 9% in the year ahead compared to the past year.
Yeah, the state's three-member revenue estimating conference says it's a combination of things. And our state capitol reporter Isabella talked to state leaders about the falling numbers. So some are concerned, others not so much.
Yeah, it depends on their political party. State Democrats are blaming Republican tax cuts for the now estimated billion-dollar decline in tax revenue over the next 2 years. They say it's unsustainable and bad budgeting by Republicans who control most of the state government. At a press conference today, Democrats warned the state could be headed towards recession, despite promises by Republicans that these tax cuts could lead to prosperity.
And unfortunately, the economic development and growth that was promised 6 years ago with these tax cuts has never materialized. And because of that, the Reynolds recession is in full force, and we are in a terrible, terrible death spiral with finances in the state. And unfortunately, the people of Iowa are going to suffer.
The state brought in about $9.8 million from tax revenue last year due to a number of Republican tax cuts and current economic factors. That's predicted to drop to $8.7 million. Governor Reynolds defended the tax cuts and said these drops were projected.
We ended the last fiscal year with a $3.2 billion surplus. Our cash reserves are full, about $800 million, and we have over $4 billion in the taxpayer trust fund. That is put in place to help soften and ease into the tax cuts that we've been able to put in place.
Now, this year, Republicans reduced the personal income tax rate to 3.8%, and Iowa has billions in its taxpayer relief fund. That's what Republicans said they plan to use to make up for these shortfalls. In Des Moines, I'm Isabella Warren.